Today on Tesla Tips and Tricks, we are going on a road trip to San Diego from northern Los Angeles County, kind of near Six Flags Magic Mountain. So thanks for joining us. All right, so we are heading on a road trip, as the T's mentioned, from San Diego, or to San Diego from northern Los Angeles County, kind of near Six Flags Magic Mountain, if you are familiar with that area. We are in a Tesla Model 3 SR Plus, and we have done a ton of road trips in this car. So if you're thinking about getting that model and you're kind of worried about range and can you do road trips with it, I can absolutely say that you can do road trips with it. We have done a ton with this car. We've gone from Los Angeles to short road trips like Legoland, Palm Springs, obviously day trips to Santa Barbara, and then we've done a bunch of long-range road trips as well. Vegas a bunch of times, Mammoth Lakes a bunch of times. We've done the longest ones were Zion National Park in Utah, Lake Tahoe, California. And we've got a big road trip planned for later in the summer to San Francisco. So SR Plus, road trips, not an issue whatsoever. So on this one, like I said, we're going to head to San Diego, but we're going to make a stop off along the 210 in Duarte to one of our favorite restaurants. I think it's Ye Old Spaghetti Factory.
Something like that.
Ye Old, I think. We'll check. It's our favorite, but we don't know the actual name of it. But anyway, we don't have one near us, so we're going to stop off there, have a nice lunch, and then we'll do all the nav stuff down to San Diego. So we don't actually know. We know this car pretty well, so we're not too worried, but we don't actually know where our first stop will be. All right, we're only going to need one stop. We think it's going to be Friars Road there in San Diego. So thank you for joining us on our first road trip here on Tesla Tips and Tricks. If you have a tip or a trick that you'd like us to investigate or check out, feel free to put it down in the comments, and we'll check that out and maybe do a video on it. So we've got lots planned for this channel, and here we go to San Diego. We have made it to the Old Spaghetti Factory. Delicious food awaits. Cannot wait. Should be good.
Or the Spaghetti Factory is an old schoolhouse and it's got a train in the middle. And flags. Lots of flags. Okay, Spaghetti Factory. Linguine and clam sauce with spaghetti noodles. And
The Alfredo of goodness.
Ooh, mac and cheese.
Of
And lasagna.
All right, so after a good lunch at Spaghetti Factory, we are headed to the car. I'm gonna figure out which way we're gonna get to San Diego. Right now, traffic is crazy. So, probably gonna go the back way. All right, so we finally made a decision on this trip. We are going to stop at Lake Elsinore, 14 miles, preconditioning for supercharging already. It's a big outlet mall, and the Chargers are, we've been there before, they're way out of the way. Humans are going to need to stop also. And so that's where we're going to go. That's our one stop. That should get us into San Diego. And the decision is made. Here's our traffic. Cool. Alright, here we are. Lake Elsinore Supercharger, rolling up. Who are we going to make angry? Where should we... Oh, right here in the middle, right? Alright, so we are plugged in, ready to go. We're ramping up. Let's see what we're ramping up to. We are not sharing. This is a V2, so you want to stay away from similar numbers. So we are on 9B and 9A is open. So if you ever roll up on a Supercharger, you don't really want the same numbers because you're going to share power. And we are ramping up to 121 right now. All right, so we're at Lake Elsinore. We're going to wrap up charging here, and we're going to go to the Friars Road Supercharger in San Diego, not because we have to, but because a certain member of the family wants to add it to his Supercharger list. All right, we're out.
How long at this point?
How many Superchargers have we been to? 55 Superchargers for this car. Pretty sweet. So we're at Friars Road, Tesla Superchargers, and there are Teslas as far as the eye can see. And we're all kind of waiting. Amazing. All right, thanks for watching Tesla Tips and Tricks. We are at our hotel. That is our Tesla's view. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and we will have more stuff in the future for you. Very cool.